Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys, generation 2010 to 2016, but it will be helpful on other generations as well. If you're trying to find where your ABS brake pump is located, okay, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. With the engine out of the way, we can actually show you everything in a very clear way and know where the pump is located. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, this is guys the engine out of the Hyundai Sonata. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, not to say a big word, but probably we have more than 500-600 videos guys, and on the engine alone we probably have close to 200 videos. Teaches you how to do anything. With the engine and transmission out, you can see that's your engine bay, practically right here, completely empty. And if you look right here, you have this is the reservoir for the brake fluid. This is the pump that's on the brake paddle. This is the brake paddle pump. And if you follow the lines, okay, they will go to the ABS and traction control module right here. That's a computer, and right here on the back side, that's your ABS brake pump guys. This motor, okay, this is the ABS brake pump. You have multiple valves, okay, right here. That pump will turn, okay. So the only thing holding that pump in place right now, okay, you can easily test those as well. We have a special video that explains how to test ABS pump, but practically, okay, you have one bolt here, one on the back side right there, and you can go ahead and pull that pump out. It just turns. It's a motor, not a pump. It's pretty simple design. If you need to replace the whole ABS traction control assembly, it's more complicated. We will try to make a video about that as well soon. But for any of you having that problem, also if you have ABS or traction control light and you think you have a bad pump, I'll recommend to test it. But also check out the video about the top reasons why ABS traction control light is on Hyundai Sonata. It will teach you all about that and how the system functions as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.